Are you struggling with the dreaded pop-up? You know what I mean. All of a sudden it comes off your paddle and it's so high it's a kill shot for your opponent? If you are, you'll want to stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm CJ Johnson. Here at Better Pickleball, we are dedicated to helping players over 50 live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. So you never miss another video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. So there's two main reasons that you're popping a shot up. The first one would be the angle of the paddle. So if that paddle is straight or square, it would be an open paddle face. The second reason would be the speed at which the ball is traveling. As I said, there's a couple common mistakes that we make that add angle as well as speed. The very first one is by allowing the paddle to get behind us, we add loft to the face of the paddle. If the paddle is here and it's behind me, and my face of the paddle is still square, straight up and down, and I hit it forward, it's going to go into the net. So the minute that paddle gets behind me, I have to add loft just to get it over. That may be the reason for a pop-up. So now I'm going to have Jill hit a shot behind me, and what you're going to notice is as the paddle goes behind me, I'm going to add some loft to that to get it up and over. So I'm here, and you'll notice how high that ball comes off of my paddle, because it was way back here. The way you should look whenever you're taking any shot, whether it's here, a dink at the kitchen, or anywhere else, is to have that paddle out in front of you. So let me show you how to do this correctly. We're going to have that paddle out in front of us, and I want to keep it up and in front of me so I don't add additional angle to the paddle face.
Leave it all. And I'm number one.
Okay, so it's up and it's over without adding additional angle to the paddle face. The second reason that you may be having problems with pop-ups would be the speed at which you're hitting the pickleball. When we take a longer swing, that gives us the ability to add more speed to it. See this shot a lot at the non-volley zone. People step back, they make a really long swing, and it lets them hit the ball a lot higher. Okay? They step back, and now I can go high and through. The way I want you to look at the non-volley zone is I want you to, again, we're trying to keep that paddle out in front of us, and we're taking a relatively short backswing here. I'm here, and I'm over. So even if I'm stepping back, I'm keeping that paddle in front of me. Go ahead. I'm here, and I'm over, so that I can control the height of the shot.
I should find a little arch cushion to put under my...
There we go.
Just in the store, a little arch cushion.
So you notice my paddle swing is really short as I do this. That way I can control the ball. So I've got a short paddle swing, I've got that paddle out in front of me, and that's going to help me to control the height of the pickleball. Now you know the two reasons that you're hitting those pop-ups. Here's some additional videos to help you to keep the ball under control. If you got value, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share this with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.